Hello and welcome to this video on setting up the Pro JCL extension for Visual Studio Code. With Visual Studio Code, you can enhance your development environment by adding programming languages, debuggers, and tools to boost productivity. Pro JCL for VS Code provides a modern, easy-to-use interface to seamlessly interact with Pro JCL on your ZOS system. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step installation and configuration process of Pro JCL. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed and Zowie Explorer extension added to it. Also make sure you have the mainframe and Pro JCL host and port details handy. If you don't have Visual Studio Code yet, you can download it for free from this link. Also, to add the Zowie Explorer extension, navigate to the Extensions Marketplace by clicking on the Extensions icon. In the search bar, type Zowie Explorer. When you see the Zowie Explorer extension in the results, click the Install button to add it to your VS Code. This extension is essential for connecting to your mainframe system and accessing its datasets. I already have Zowie Explorer installed and a ZOS MF profile created. So now let's install the Pro JCL extension. Open the Extensions Marketplace in Visual Studio Code and search for Pro JCL. When you see the Pro JCL extension in the search results, click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, go to Zowie Explorer. You will see the option to add Pro JCL profile. This confirms the extension has been successfully added to your workspace. To scan a JCL file, you need to create two profiles, a connection profile and a scan profile. The connection profile defines the settings that enable Visual Studio Code to establish a Pro JCL connection. This connection allows for scanning different files and generating corresponding results. The scan profile sets up how your JCL code will be scanned and validated based on the specific standards. Both profiles are essential for the Pro JCL extension to work correctly. Let's start by creating the connection profile. Click on the Add Pro JCL Profile button in the Datasets view. From the drop-down menu, select Connection Profile. You will be prompted to enter the connection name. Type in a meaningful name. Next, provide the hostname of Pro JCL REST API server on mainframe, followed by its port number. Make sure these details are accurate as they are critical for establishing the connection. Once done, your connection profile is ready. Now let's set up the scan profile. Again, click on the Add Pro JCL Profile button. From the drop-down menu, select JCL Scan Profile. You will be prompted to fill in details like the scan profile name, input type, RTS member name, proclib name, JMP library name, JMP member name, JMP parameters, scheduler name. Additionally, select options to include a summary in the listing and reset Pro JCL between members. For simplicity, we will stick to the default values in this video, but refer to the documentation if you want to customize these settings. Remember, the connection profile and the scan profile setup are only needed once. Now that we have set up both profiles, let's test them by scanning a sample JCL file with some errors. Expand ZOS MF and open a JCL file in Visual Studio Code. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. Type Pro JCL and select the Pro JCL Scan the Current File option. Choose the Zowie profile followed by the connection and scan profiles you just created. If everything is configured correctly, the Pro JCL will validate the file. You will then see the results displayed in the problems view. In this video, we covered the following key topics: the primary requirements for Pro JCL, steps to install Pro JCL extension, setting up connection and scan profiles, scanning a JCL file using Pro JCL. Thank you.